Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Soul South Service was created in 2008 in the Salesian House in Lisbon with the mission of intervening not only with children and young people in situations of vulnerability, but also to develop ongoing actions with the families to promote their well-being and autonomy. Environment and health aren't of race connection today, thanks to Don Bosco past pupil Mr. Bae Shin-teng, graduate of South Korea, Gwangju Salesian High School in 2013, presently living and working in Seoul with his elder sister involved in the media. The events of the Don Bosco of Rome is preparing for January 31st, the feast of San Giovanni Bosco in the Basilica of Rome, dedicated to the Holy of Young People. A spiritual and formative journey develops for an entire month involving the neighborhood and the community. The spirituality days of the Salesian family, which closed just over a week ago, in this year marked by the pandemic, saw the involvement of numerous people and groups spread all over the world as a sign of hope. Through the organization of coordination by regions, a vast network of communion and sharing of contents and intentions has been created, which has seen numerous seeds of hope manifest themselves through concrete proposals. In view of the annual celebrations for the feast day of Don Bosco, the body that represents the Salesians in European institutions, Don Bosco International DBI, wishes to promote a reflection on the role of education. For this reason, it has organized for next Friday, January 29, 2021, an online conference entitled Next Generation to Education for the Future of Europe. Opening the meeting will be the President of the European Parliament, David Maria Sassoli, with a speech entitled The Role of Education in the Present and Future of Europe, and the European Commissioner for Innovation, Research, Culture, Education and Youth, Maria Gabriel. On 25th January, on the occasion of the celebration of the conversion of St. Paul, 6 Salesian students of theology received the ministry of acolyte. The celebration took place in the seat of the Theological Studentate of Caracas and was presided over by Father Rafael Montenegro, Provincial of the Salesian Province of Venezuela, VEN. One of the fundamental values of Salesian schools around the world is solidarity. The Salesian schools of the Mary Help of Christians, Province of Spain, SMX, carry out numerous solidarity initiatives that serve to foster learning. For example, one of the latest initiatives by some pupils of the Salesian school in Ciutadella on the island of Menorca is the creation of a calendar of solidarity on the world's climates and landscapes, the proceeds of which were destined for the projects of the NGO Bosco Global. The Salesian family of the Central African Province AFC, led by Father Albert Kabuge, AFC Provincial, and Father Placide Mukundi, participated in the spirituality days of the Salesian family. The 39th edition took place digitally from January 15 to 17 and centered on the Strena 2021 message of the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, moved by hope. See, I am making all things new. Book of Revelation, chapter 21, verse 5. Dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Thank you for being with us.